Welcome to week 2 of Effie's Rebuilds. I am Effie of Effie's Rebuilds, and this is Peanut the Smart Car. Today I'm taking the bumper off to remove the exhaust. Now I got a gauge on this level so you can see. I'm removing these 3 bolts so I can get this off so I can see the exhaust. Wait, is it that way? No, I'm doing that wrong. Ooh, am I doing it? Am I doing it? Okay. I'm doing it. Am I doing it? Oh, I think I'm doing it. Oh. Oh. Guess it's gonna come all the way off. Oh, there we go, that's one. That's one. Let's move it over here so you can see. Let me do the second one. If I can find it. Nope, it's all the way over here. My niece. There we go. Oh, lost it again. Oh, almost there because I can feel it getting looser. Oh, I got it. Yay. Second one done. Nothing. I'll turn it over this way so you couldn't see it. No, wrong way. I might be doing this wrong, but all about learning. Oh, oh, almost got it. Hey, got it. Right, now I'm going to take the bumper off. Let me pick these up first. So now I'm taking the bumper off, which I'm told is clip. Oh, go one side. Oh, can I get this in? So now, I just clipped it off. Oh, and it seems it has been tied at the bottom. Let's have a look. Look, saying hi to you. Right. Oh, it's been zip tied on. So it's been zip tied on. I'm gonna go grab some clippers. Bear with. Got some clippers. I'm gonna unclip it. Oh. Oh. Very, very dusty down here and very, very rusty. Oh, and I just had rain on my head because it was raining the night before with us. Oh. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right, now let me go click this back. So now I will. So I'm moving you guys up so you'll be able to see. So now I'm gonna put the bumper on top of the car just for it to sit if I can grab it. Oh, see, strong muscles, bear. Just want to cut this off. Oh. that's the bumper taken off. So guys, this is why it's gonna come off. Look at this hole in the exhaust. So that's why we're gonna repair it in, I don't know how many episodes it's gonna take, but we will have to repair that, and that's why the bumper had to come off, because we're gonna change that. Now I've got to get rid of this aluminium safety bar to actually get the exhaust. So we're gonna drill them out. Well, I'm gonna attempt anyway. Start with this one first. Oh, okay, got it. Alright, that's one. And then I got this one. Oh, couldn't you guys see over there? Yeah, you'll be fine. Hey, got the other one. Got this one. Pull it away for safekeeping. Okay. Now we got, oh no, pull the drill back so I can't pull it off with one hand. Just pull it off. Very wet because it's been sitting in the garage for about, I don't know how long actually. Oh my god, it won't come off. Right, I'm gonna look, see if there's any more bolts, because it is not coming off. Like, I can't physically get it off. So do we have any more bolts? We'll have to... Oh, we do have more bolts, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure we have more bolts. But I don't know if that's for the safety bar. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's for the safety bar. But after a good 5 minutes of looking, we have found more bolts. Well, I found more bolts. So I'm gonna go get drill. No. Oh, I forgot to say, please do not try this at home unless you are professionals. I have medics on standby, just in case. So where's this one? Oh, don't want to get cut. Oh, gotta get close. One out of 4. Where's this other one? Two out of 4. Move it closer. Almost off. There's 3 out of 4. Almost got it. So you can see the bar coming up. Whew! Got it off now. And I'm gonna pick up all the bolts. Put this over there. And pick up all the bolts. 1, 2. 3, and where's the 4th one? Oh, where's that one gone? So, apologies, the camera shut itself off because it was paused for so long because we were working on it and we couldn't do it. So I've cut the strap off the exhaust, I've undone the oxygen sensor, and now I've got to take 2 bolts off of the exhaust, and then it will just pop right down. Right, let's undo these nuts. So, put it here. That's almost off now. Oh, I end up hurting myself there. Wait, is that off now? Can I just turn it? Right, that's off, but I've dropped it somewhere. And now, I begin to do this one. Doing? Yeah. It's an awkward position this way. Oh, this one's off as well. So now I'm going to take the exhaust off. If it comes off, and this, people, is the exhaust. Very heavy, but not so heavy for me, because I'm a bodybuilder, so bodybuilder heavy. And we're just going to set this down over here. Oh, right. Oh, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been filming for 4 hours. And it's getting late, it's getting a bit dark, so we will see you tomorrow. Hello everybody. We are back after about 4 days because we need to make a new pipe because we need to make a new one. And the weather in Wales right now is absolutely shocking. We had planned to film on Tuesday. Then the rain was awful. Then we're going to yesterday, and we had some family problems and the weather again. The only dry day was Wednesday, and that was when I was away with friends, and so we've done this the day of posting, so it's Friday today, and so I have to put this pipe on now, and then after I put that on, I'll show you the new exhaust. So I've just fitted the new pipe, which isn't great, but we'll fix it at a later date because my welding skills are, we're not going to talk about it. So we'll fix that at a later date. Now we're going to fit the exhaust and see what it sounds like. So this is the new exhaust, and it comes with this sleeve, and we've tampered with it a bit to make sure it fits into the pipe. Gotta make sure I'm putting it the right way. So I'm going to fit this on now, so you'll see me fit it on, and then you'll see us add it up and hear what it sounds like. Right, now I've got you down to this level, I'm going to go grab the exhaust to put it up, down. Exhaust. Oh wait, my trousers. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I was gonna say my trousers. Because there's no tarpaulin. So I'll slide this in. Right, now I fitted the exhaust. Took us a long time because there was something wrong with these and they wouldn't tighten and jibby jabby. So now I'm gonna jump in the car and see how it sounds. Right, let's go in the car. So we're in the car. I need to figure out where the key goes because I don't actually know. This is the sound of the car now. That's loud and smoky. Right, this is the end of this one because it's very tiring. Although we haven't done much the second day, it's been a long day. We had to do so much in like an hour or so, and it was stressful, and we're both stressed. So see you in part 3 of Peanut the Smart Car.